wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best drip irrigation kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Mr. Landscaper mlk-veg allows you to control each row of tubing individually, letting you water only as much as necessary. There's a DVD included to help with installing everything, so you can get it up and running fairly easily. It comes with a 150 micron faucet filter and works well for raised gardens. However, it only includes 5 support stakes. At number 9, the grdnerkit does admirable work watering a few plants or trees, especially if they're in a straight line. The hose is far too rigid to snake around your yard though, so don't expect it to be able to handle a wide array of vegetation. It comes with galvanized stakes and easy to attach barbed couplings, but it is difficult to assemble. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Koram Easy Set is, as the name suggests, very easy to set up. It's all above ground, so you don't have to dig a bunch of trenches in order to run the tubing across your yard. It comes with Teflon tape to prevent leaks and offers an adjustable flow rate. However, it can't handle more than 45 psi. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for drip irrigation kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, a good solution for tending to plant stands, the padram water bag uses gravity and a 10-liter bladder to slowly feed up to 10 pots simultaneously. The drip rate on the emitters is adjustable, so you can set them according to your plant's particular needs. It includes 33 feet of hose, but it may require daily filling, and granular plant food can clog it. Moving up our list to number 6. With 200 feet of half-inch tubing and 50 feet of quarter-inch drip line, the Dig GE 200 can help irrigate plots as large as 700 square feet, although that maximum can be pushed past 1,000 with some additional hardware. It comes with 11 micro sprayers, 13-inch stakes for the emitters, and a 3/4-inch backflow valve. Halfway up our list at number 5. If you already have a system installed but would like to beef it up, the Rainbird expansion makes it easy to augment your existing setup. It comes with 112 universal parts, all of which are neatly housed in a large pail for convenient storage. It includes a emitter removal tool, a refillable top tray for small pieces, and a helpful troubleshooting guide. At number 4, the raindrip R560DP automatic is a good value, considering it comes with not only tubing, drip heads, ground stakes and more, but also a timer you can use to automate your watering program. Set it up once and then let it do all the work. It feeds up to 20 plants simultaneously and is backed by a 5-year limited warranty. However, the timer connection tends to leak. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. The moistenland Gen 4 is a good choice for anyone looking to automate their houseplant maintenance. It conveniently combines a pump and interval timer into a single housing, so all that's left for you to do is hook up its hoses and fill up its reservoir. It offers ample scheduling options along with an upgraded 2-inch LCD. It uses 4 AA's for a battery backup. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for drip irrigation kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the company's standard offering includes no half-inch tubing or fittings, but the Drip Depot Premium provides everything you need to adequately equip an average garden. An ultimate option is also available for those outfitting large plots. It features 76-inch stabilizing stakes and 70 button drippers, and there's an instructional video online. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the hydrolock covered presents an easy solution for those with indoor grow operations or patios full of potted plants. Since it's powered by a submersible pump, you won't need constant access to a garden hose, though you will require a source for electricity. Kits are available for 6 to 48 plants, and the manifold is rated for 10 to 80 psi. Plant caps help to reduce evaporation. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for drip irrigation kits, or simply click beneath this video.